Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So glad you could be here today. Today's the start, the very first day of the 2026 International Flower and Garden Festival. And I am so excited. Look at the sky. It's so beautiful today. We even have Lotso back here. Here's Figment. Here's Phoebus and Ferb. Which one's which?
That's Ferb. That's Phineas.
Phineas, Ferb. I call him Phoebus.
No, Phineas.
Phineas. Here's another big one here. Here's Pluto. Oh, there's that bee. What's the name of the bee? I forgot his name. Oh, Spike. Spike. There's Spike. Giant Pluto. Minnie and Mickey. And Chippendale. Ooh, this is the Moana topiary. This is pretty good. This is a good one. This is the trout and trellis. This is where they got the cola glazed sticky pork ribs. Hi, can I get the miso cola glazed ribs?
Of course. Anything else?
And chocolate mousse terrarium. That'll be all.
All right, it's gonna be 1361 whenever you're ready.
Thank you. You too.
How pretty. One terrarium, one rib, please. All right, here you are.
Thank you.
All right, here's your rib, sir.
Thank you.
Not your rib. I'm so sorry, your rib. And then now here's your rib. Enjoy.
All right, appreciate it.
Of course.
Oh yeah.
Got to answer back.
All right, and there it is. This is the cola, the miso cola ribs and chocolate mousse terrarium. First bite, these things taste really good. Sweet, spicy, tender, juicy, fall off the bone. To me, these taste better than the ribs I got at the Edison. This is good. I'll get this every time. Can we eat this flour? If it's on the food, it has to be edible. This is pretty good. Then they give you a pretty large portion. I'm not even finishing the whole thing. It's like half left. Here's Anna and Elsa. House-made cheesy crab wontons, shay shai beef bao bun, pan-fried vegetable dumplings, tang hulu, which is this right here. This is all the typical stuff Germany has here. Potato pancakes, toasted pretzel, bread, warm cheese, strudel. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's only 6 dwarfs here. Did he kill one? What's going on? Oh, wait a minute. He's over here. Dopey? Is that Dopey? Yeah, I think it's Dopey. Is it Dopey?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Dopey's a favorite.
Get anything from here. Mainly, except this raspberry stroll cheesecake. That looks good. So this is the Magnolia Terrace here in America. And they got the blackened shrimp po' boy, the grilled Gulf oysters, the spicy chicken gumbo, the bananas Foster bread pudding. Ooh, yum. This is also where Tiana hangs out, representing the USA. The Fruski, what the hell's Fruski? Strawberry, pineapple, and honeydew wrapped in coconut rice and soy wrapped paper served with coconut cream sauce and toasted coconut. It's like sushi with fruit. Fruski. We're over here at the Fresh Island, and you got the jasmine jerk chicken, ceviche, and coconut chocolate flan bizcocho. Okay, all this looks good. Especially that Jamaican jerk chicken with some flan. That's a winning pair right there. I'll go with that. France. What the heck? How come this is not even in English at all? Wait a minute. Okay, it's a croissant. A croissant with goat cheese, herbs, roasted garlic. And this one here is pulled duck, rosemary mushroom sauce, and herb corn cake. And this one here is caramelized onions on a flaky pastry crust topped with bacon. And this one here is a caramelized beignet filled with vanilla cream and glazed with caramel flus de sous, whatever that is. And you have Beauty and the Beast. Oh, sorry. It's okay. Thank you. Does Gator have a name? It's just Gator? Alligator? Crocodile? He's a crocodile. And Tinkerbell. You got Rabbit, Piglet, Eeyore, Pooh Bear, Tigger. How come McDonald's doesn't make its own poutine? That would be good. Mech poutine. Oh man, these guys are out of work. Miss Piggy and Kermit. Oh, you know what? I might have gotten some here before. The beef tenderloin tips. And the seared scallops and the chocolate maple whiskey cake. The honey bistro. And then liquid nitrogen honey mascarpone cheesecake. The pineapple promenade. The spicy hot dog. I tried that last year. That was okay. The yacht grub. Trio of dips and chips. House-made potato chips with whipped feta dipped, canned lemon, caramelized onion dip, and caviar. Seafood bake, grilled street corn on a cob, orange cream bar. Here's Bambi, Thumper, and I don't know his name. I'm gonna just call him Skunk. Ho ho ho, here's Mike and Sully. These are the guys that kicked out Kermit and Miss Piggy. And he has this braces on from the University movie. Is he looking skinny because it's from part 2?
Yeah.
Yeah. And here's Groot. Groot. And all right. And this is BrunchCOT, avocado toast, shrimp and grits, and French toast. Look at the avocado toast. Shrimp and grits, I never tried that. It's Miguel. People say, it's Coco, but it's Miguel. But it's Coco, but it's Miguel. But it's Coco. Lightning McQueen and Tomater. This is for the Pixar 40 years, 40th anniversary. This is the Farmer's Feast. This is where you'll get that grilled asparagus and some scallops. And here's Spike the Bee. We need some more Spike the Bee around here. These are the Spike the Bee, oh God, magnets that go on your shoulder. $28. And a Spike the Bee backpack, I think it is. $75. And here's the butterfly landing. See if any butterfly will actually land on my finger. Oh wow. I think there's only one butterfly in this whole butterfly garden. This is the nectar stand next to the butterfly garden. This is where they have the tuna poke bowl, Huey, Dewey, and Louie, and Donald Duck, a bee between his eyes. Riding, living with the land at the first day of the Flower Garden Festival. That's a must do, don't you think? All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for today. Please like and subscribe, and also join our Patreon. Until next time, ciao, ciao. The weirdest, strangest thing happened to me when I was in line for living with the land. Everything was normal. I was looking at my phone, I was in line, it's like a 50-minute wait. Looking at my phone, and then I look up. And when I looked up, I felt like I was in a different time. Like, there was just a bunch of, you know that feeling when you look at a picture that's from the 60s or 70s, how the people wear their hairs, how they were dressed and everything? Or if you remember growing up in the early 80s, early 80s, when you remember how the older people looked, like the people that were probably in their 50s, 60s, 70s at that time, how their hair was, the type of clothes they were wearing. It's like old-fashioned clothes. I was surrounded by people, older people, a lot of them and they all looked like they came from a different time period. Plus, since living with the land, because I saw pictures of living with the land back when it opened, since that didn't change any, that didn't change much either, it kind of like blended in. So I had this weird chill, like, wow, I just entered a time warp, and how it would have felt being here in the early 80s. Because the people in the early 80s were still dressing, the older people didn't change their styles. They were still dressing like the 70s. And they still had like these like Marge Simpson, like they had like that beehive hairdo. Some were big, some were short. And then they were all wearing like this polyester shirts, and the women were wearing like polyester design like shirts and everything. It was so weird, so strange. But in a way, it was kind of like a good feeling. It's like, wow, because it felt so wholesome. Today's been a really good day here at EPCOT. The sun is shining. There's very little, there's like clouds, but not that many clouds. The weather's like hot, but not hot, not that hot. There's like a breeze. It's just been really good today. Like when you want to find a seat, the seat's available. It's crazy how nice it has been today.